When tutors have assignments or homework they'd like their students to complete, Fusion Tutor has everything covered. There's a feature-rich homework manager where tutors can manage the homework from a single page. Students are supplied with a description of what the tutors would like them to do. Tutors can provide supplementary files to help the students, and they can manage all of the student submissions and grading in one place. So you can see here, one student has seen their homework but not yet completed it. These students have not yet even looked at their homework. And this student has seen their homework and they've submitted a file and also a comment, which I can see and reply to. Tutors can grade the student's work, they can nudge the percentage up and down, and they can leave feedback. They can also choose to edit and mark the document using the inbuilt marking tool and leave feedback in that way. Students can submit as many files as they need to, and each of these can be graded separately. Tutors can then grade the homework overall. Students and their parents can go to the grading centre at any time, and they can see all the grades and feedback, with the most recent always at the top. Tutors can mark the students' work as complete, and for any students that have not yet done their work, they can send a reminder. Any grades can be sent to the Markbook to collate and track student progress, and a whole range of reports allow you to track activity right across the platform.